Hey, that looks good. What'd you make?
A caprese sandwich. What about you?
The same Capri Sun sandwich.
Huh? Ugh.